Hello, today I'll show you how to organize your monthly calendar in Samsung Notes. I'll be using the landscape version of our all-in-one planner so you can see everything clearly. I use my calendar for home tasks, personal appointments, and routines. One of my favorite tricks is using icon stickers for repeated tasks. It keeps the page clean and easy to read. For example, laundry every Wednesday, cleaning every Saturday, grocery shopping every other Saturday. Instead of writing everything out, I just place a small icon sticker on those days. This keeps the calendar clean and easy to read. For specific appointments, like a doctor's appointment or haircut, I write them down normally. If I use stickers for everything, the page will look messy. So here's my rule. For repeated tasks, I use simple icon stickers. For one-time events, I use handwritten notes. For important events, I highlight them. This keeps everything balanced and visually clear. Here's another tip. If you have a weekly routine, for example, doing a sheet mask every Monday, you can draw a vertical line down all the Mondays in the month, then place a decorative sticker at the top or bottom. This makes your calendar look aesthetic, but still organized. It's a small design trick that makes planning more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. It really helps us continue making practical digital planning tutorials. Thank you so much for supporting 4 Little Line. I'll see you in the next video.